Are you still searching for a POS system for your bar and restaurant? Right now, I'm going to share with you the 5 best POS systems for you to choose from so you can make a smart decision, and we're going to do it right now. Hey there, boys and girls. Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net. Today, I'm very excited about the episode. I have quite a few owners and managers asking me all the time, which is the best POS system? It can be very confusing with all of those out there. It's like picking out a new appliance or a new computer. It can drive you absolutely insane. What you have to remember is it really depends on your situation, your bar, your restaurant, for which POS system you choose. Are you big? Are you small? Do you want great analytics and tools? Or do you just want the basics? You have to choose what's best for you. I've done a ton of research. I've used a lot of the systems. I've gotten feedback from dozens of owners and managers, so hopefully I can save you a little time on your own research. I also want to say quickly that the top 2 systems on this list, I'm an affiliate for, which means if you click on the links below this video and sign up for a demo with them, I do get paid a commission. I also want to make sure I'm very upfront and transparent about that. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. But there's also a reason why I'm affiliate with them is because they are the 2 top systems on the market. That's why I partner with them. I only promote products and services on here that I really believe in and that can help you succeed. So let's get to it. At any time, I do have all 5 links to the POS systems below this video, so you can click on there, get to the website quickly, set up a demo, check it out, whatever you want. All right, let's get started. Starting with number 1. The number 1 best POS system on the market today is Upserve, formerly Breadcrumb. And the reason it is the best all-around POS system for restaurants is for 2 main core principles. 1, it was created by industry people, so former bartenders, managers, so the front of the house interface is extremely intuitive and easy to use. These are people that used POS systems all the time. They know what worked, they know what was frustrating, and they created a system that industry people absolutely love. And 2, it has customer data and metrics that other systems simply don't have. In other words, customer comes in, uses their credit card, Upserve is able to gain valuable, precise insights on how often they come in, what do they order, what are their sales, and a whole lot more. Other systems simply don't have this capability. So let's look at Upserve in a little more detail. What I'm going to do for all 5 systems is I'll go over pros and cons, support, and pricing. I'll keep it pretty basic. I'll try to be quick. I know your time is valuable. So let's start with Upserve, the pros. We'll start with the column on the left here. It's specifically designed for restaurants. We already talked about that. Table-side ordering. Upserve has what a lot of the good POS systems has. They have handheld devices, so the servers can walk right up to the table. They can take the orders. They can send it off to the kitchen right there. They start making it right away. Really cool. Same thing with table-side payments. They're ready to pay. They can hand you your credit card. You can run it from the handheld device instead of being gone for 5 minutes. They don't know where you are. So very quick as far as getting the orders through and getting them out of there. Incredible reporting and insights. We already talked about that. CRM, which is customer relationship management, which means from the time that your guests walk into the door to the time they leave, they have a great experience. Good POS system really helps with that. Employee management. Here you're able to do your scheduling. You can see which employees are late or on time or called in sick. It measures their sales against their labor, so you can see your best performing employees. Really cool. Great customizable interface for floor and menu. You can change your floor and your menu right on your device, handheld device. Really cool. Easy to use for staff. We talked about it. Partners with Grubhub, has online ordering, which I really recommend, discounts, customer loyalty, staff scheduling, and it has offline mode, which a lot of owners worry about because their Wi-Fi might go out a lot. So can we still run credit cards and take orders and all that? Yes, you can, absolutely. So quickly talk about the Upserve cons. There's not a whole lot. They want you to use their payment processing. All right, that might seem like a big deal at first, but they offer very competitive rates. What they need it for is they need that credit card information so they can get those insights to your guests that really help your ROI, your return on investment, makes you a lot more money, super valuable. So it's not a big deal. If you're locked into a long-term contract right now with payment processing, that could be an issue. There's no PayPal or QuickBooks integration, and there's no free trial. But you can sign up for a demo. They'll give you a screen share demo and they'll walk you through everything and you can ask any questions you want along the way. On a 5-point customer support ranking, those rankings being awful, poor, okay, good, and excellent, Upserve ranks as excellent. They have 365 by 7 by 24 support. They have online chat, online tutorials. They are awesome. I will say that all POS systems have problems in some way or another. Nothing's perfect, but if there's great support there to help me, I'm happy. Pricing for Upserve is mid-range competitive, meaning it's fair, but there are other cheaper systems out there, but it's still very affordable for all mid-sized bars and restaurants. So you can head to their pricing page here, check out their different plans. This is their core. The Pro really is the most popular, not just because it says so here. Based on the feedback I've got, you probably don't need Enterprise unless you're a chain. You can also see limited time free hardware up to $6,000 as of the taping of this video. And then you can go right down the columns and decide if these blanks or these add-ons you want to add to the Pro, because it fills all the check marks in the Pro right here. So just get a demo, find out from the rep, what's the best plan for you. What you have to think about is what's going to be my ROI, not just the pricing, but is my system going to help me have those insights and analytics that's going to get me money back. If you want, you can go here to watch my screen share demo of Upserve so you can see exactly how it works in the back end. All right, moving on.
Number 2.
A close second to Upserve is Touch Bistro. Touch Bistro is one of the pioneers of the iPad POS systems. It's sleekly designed, it's easy to use both for front of the house and for owners or managers. And after testing over a dozen POS systems, I found that Touch Bistro, with its easy to use and beautiful interface, is one of my favorite systems. Also one of the top rated systems for the owners and managers that I surveyed. In addition, there are no messy payment processing contracts or any contracts at all. All right, just use it as long as you like. Cancel when you like, and that freedom brings a peace of mind that many companies just can't provide. All right, let's take a look at some of the features. Starting with the pros. All right, great for all size businesses. All right, Upserve, great for mid-size, big businesses. If you're really small, Touch Bistro is going to be a lot better, but Touch Bistro covers all sizes. They're in 12,000 locations. It's built exclusively for restaurants, just like Upserve is. Free 24/7 support and email support. Robust, intuitive, and aesthetically pleasing reports. View reporting from anywhere at any time. You can do it on your mobile device if you want. Tableside ordering and payments, just like Upserve. A hybrid solution, so you have zero downtime. I talk more about that in the demo I give. And it's the only mobile POS designed to work offline indefinitely as of the recording of this video. You can do receipts emailed to customers, CRM management, employee management, loyalty cards, bill splitting, gift cards, multi-location reporting if you have multiple restaurants. It runs on Apple hardware, which I think is super important. It's a lot more stable than the other hardwares, and there is a free trial. Now let's talk about the cons really quick. There have been some reports of some minor lag issues when switching between pages with the owners and managers I spoke with. Occasional connectivity issues, though they are few and far between, and the reporting is good, but it's not as deep as Upserve. On the 5-point customer rating support system, I also give Touch Bistro an excellent rating. They have 24/7 support. They have online tutorials. The owners and managers I spoke with said they've had a great experience, as have I. Pricing for Touch Bistro is very reasonable, a lot of bang for your buck. If we go to their pricing page here, you can see these different columns. This is if you have multiple places, multiple licenses. If you just have one bar, you'll use this. Difference between this pricing page and a lot of the others is they put their hardware and their software bundled together. You'll notice most pricing pages just have the software, and then you have to find the hardware somewhere else, but they put it all together here. Very reasonable. If you scroll down, you can see everything you're getting here. So again, you can click on the link below the video, go get a demo, go check it out, see what it's all about. You can also check out, I have a screen share demo for Touch Bistro as well. I have an iPad and a reporting video, 2 separate ones. You can get the iPad video right here, and then I'm going to wait just a few seconds for that card to disappear, and then I will give you the reporting video, which is right here. So you can go check those out. Okay, you ready?
Number 3.
Coming in at number 3 is Toast. Now, Toast could be the sibling or kissing cousin of Touch Bistro. It has an awesome interface, usability, aesthetically pleasing for the front of the house, as well as some good back-end reporting. It also has the handheld device, so you can go to the table, do the ordering, send the checks. Very similar to Touch Bistro. The main difference, which lands it below it, well, let's take a look. And when we look at the Toast Pros, it's going to be very similar to Touch Bistro. Like I said, siblings or kissing cousins, tableside ordering, tableside payments, CRM, employee management, guest online ordering, loyalty cards, good range of reports, customized tipping, gift cards, split checks, modern, intuitive interface. I could list more of the Touch Bistro stuff on here. Just know that the pros are very similar. It is a very good system. Here's where the cons come in. Toast wants you to use their credit card processing, and they lock you into a long-term lease with no way out. And they don't have the precise reporting that Upserve has, so you're just locked in. This is one of the biggest complaints on Toast, is they get locked in, no way out. The reporting is better than some, but it's not great. There's no free trial. It's only Android-based, not the biggest deal in the world, but I believe iOS is much more stable, and there are some reports of connectivity issues. So while there are a lot of similarities to Touch Bistro, one of the things that drops them down is I'm giving them a poor to okay on the customer rating system. It's different on a case-by-case basis, but based on the feedback from like 50 bar owners and managers, it's been very spotty. Personally, I called them, said, hey, I need some help doing this review. Guy I talked to said, well, I don't really know anything about that. I'll have someone call you on Monday. I never got a call back. I emailed them again. I never got an email back. So I'm not going to put them down too much. They're a great system. Maybe that was just one case. It's not like I'm so amazing they should jump on it, but I haven't even paid them yet. They don't have, what's going to happen when they get my money? See my point? Pricing for Toast is also very similar to Touch Bistro, very reasonable. I think it's a little bit more, but it's right in that range. Of course, you have to deal with the payment processing contract, but I would schedule a demo with them, talk to them about it, see if it's right for you. Okay? All right, moving onward and upward, or in this case, downward.
Number 4.
Landing at our number 4 spot is Square. Now, Square is a popular choice among many smaller bars, restaurants, fast food, retail. I really like Square because it's an inexpensive way to get started, and it has all the basics you need. So if you're a smaller bar, restaurant, or you're a startup and you're on a shoestring, this is a good option for you. Let's see what they got going on. Let's take a look at the pros first. Has an all-in-one payment system, free tools for selling online, good CRM, employee management. They do have payroll, which a lot of POS systems do not. That's an additional cost. They have discounts. They have customer loyalty, an intuitive interface, easy setup, easy to use, good for smaller venues, as we mentioned, and it has transparent, affordable pricing, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Now the cons. It's not specifically designed for bars and restaurants like the top 3 are. All right, in fact, Square is huge in the retail business, so bars and restaurants kind of fall secondary. It lacks detailed reporting. It's very basic features. Like I said, it's just kind of like the very basics. There's reports of account freezes and glitches, kind of like Touch Bistro and Toast. It happens from time to time. Not ideal for larger venues or sales, as a flat fee could get expensive. For support, I'm going to rank them a okay to good. It's been reported that they're very friendly, they're very knowledgeable. The setback is they claim to have 24/7 support, but what that means is you can get on their website and go read some help articles, which we know how awesome that is when you're balls deep in the weeds Saturday night at 9 p.m. Okay, in reality, their hours are 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week, Eastern Standard Time. All right, that's fine for the retail industry, but if you have a bar or restaurant that operates at night, you're pretty much out of luck if you need help. As I've mentioned, the pricing is very positive if you're a smaller venue. Let's look at the pricing page here. They have no monthly fee. Instead, they have transaction fee. So it's 2.6% plus 10 cents for every swipe transaction, 3.5% plus 15 cents for every keyed transaction, and then 2.9% and 30 cents for every online transaction. This is great if you're small. If you have larger sales, this can add up in a hurry though. And that brings us to
Number 5.
Number 5 on our top 5 POS list is Revel. Now, the reason Revel makes the list is it is very robust, has great analytics, so it sort of rounds out our list. They also use an iPad like our top 3 do. It helps bars, restaurants, and retail, so it doesn't necessarily specialize in the restaurant industry, but it has great reporting. Let's check out what they got. Looking at the pros, they're going to have a lot of similar stuff as the top 3. Robust reporting, though, similar to Upserve. Upserve's a little bit better, but they have very good reporting with Revel. Very good CRM, employee management, table management, online ordering, discounts, customer loyalty, intuitive interface, and it does have offline mode. Now, looking at the cons, what makes Revel so great is because it has so many features. It's also the knock on Revel. The setup and learning curve for all of its features can be complex. The overall interface is user-friendly, but it can be confusing in some spots. Again, some reports of glitchiness. Cost is pricey compared to other POS systems. Open API access requires more money. And the company seems to have a bit of ADD when it comes to deciding, are we helping the bar and restaurant? Are we helping the retail? All right, kind of straddles the fence there. And then there's no free trial to see if you like it. The support for Revel is good. They have 24/7 support. The reviews from my clan have been a little bit mixed. Most of them, though, said it was good. Some of them said they didn't get help with the learning curve. It was a bit tough, or to reconfigure the software to fit their needs. My personal experience with them has been very good, though. For pricing, as I've mentioned, it's a bit high compared to other POS systems. They show a fee of $99 per month. They have starting setup fees as $649. We know what starting means. It means it can get expensive really quick. Their hardware and processing fees are a little vague on their website. Little Birds have told me it can be up to $2,500, so it does get a bit pricey. And then this little asterisk here is what I didn't really like. It is a 3-year contract required, which is a bit brutal. So the system itself is very good. You just have to ask yourself, does it make sense to pay more for great reporting and robustness when Upserve has mid-range pricing and the most premium reporting, analytics, and tools of any other system? In the end, of course, you need to find a system that fits your needs, your restaurant, and your pocketbook. All right, I hope this was helpful. Remember, at any time, you can click on the links below this video, send you straight to the website. If you have any comments or questions, let her rip. I appreciate you being here. I'm going to see you next time. I'm out.